So we brought our truck so they could check the oils and stuff to see if everything's good. Gotta see if la mamalona is good. La mamalona. La mamalona.
So right now they're checking everything like you told them it?
Yeah.
Oh, so we could be like already and set for tomorrow for the grito. And I was like, let's bring it ready so they could check the oil and all that. And he said that it's empty, the oil for the transmission. So right now we gotta hook it up. It needs like 3, so. And he also said about the motor one that I have to be on it. I think they have to do like a flush or something like that. So that's gonna be another thing. So stay tuned on that one.
We need to wash the car as well. I don't know what Babe's doing right there. Not just kidding. He's over there talking to the guy. That's all the oils that we needed. Well, we still need more, but that's good enough. Drivable.
A ver, ahí voy a poner su TikTok. Les comentaba, yo apenas voy a los 7,000 y que sales que ya vas a los 50, 40 y tantos. Y nunca has pensado más o
so he does TikTok. He doesn't do YouTube, but and his TikTok he's almost hitting. He's almost reaching the 50,000.
He has 2 jobs.
Oh, he has 2 jobs.
And he studies.
Babe's gonna put his TikTok right now. He's gonna put his TikTok up there, so you guys can go follow him.
Yeah, he even cleaned the battery. Excellent service. 5 estrellas, ¿verdad? Exacto. No le he grabado directo porque no sé si está bien, si quiere o... Está bien, no pasa nada, órale. Yo siempre soy así, a veces nomás agarro las cosas y digo, ay, ¿me grabo o no? ¿Me entiendes?
No problema, ya nomás. Nos faltó el agua, lo único ya.
Órale, machina.
A sus seguidores, buen cliente.
Ahí estamos, no, buen trabajo, la verdad, 5 estrellas aquí para que pasen a... ¿Dónde estamos? En la...
Akron,
órale. Ahí estamos. Pasen aquí con el camarada y créanme que se van a ir satisfechos, ¿eh? Como uno dice.
Gracias, aquí estamos para servirles.
Exacto. Y ahí cuando pasen, ahí le dejan algo bien. Excelente.
¿Puede ir seguro?
Perfecto.
Aquí veo que tiene...
Beautiful.
El líquido de los frenos. Ahorita trae, pero cuando
no traiga ese.
Cuando no traiga, aquí trae usted.
Órale, perfecto. Veo bien. Excelente. ¿Eh? La mamalona, ¿cómo dice la mamalona? Siempre se me quedan viendo las placas, como no tiene ahí placa enfrente, mira. Para el camarada, cuando vea este video, para el camarada, ahí disculpa tu nombre, la verdad, no sé si me lo dio, no lo recuerdo, ahí dispensa, ¿me entiendes? Pero muchas gracias, muy bendecidos, excelente servicio. Yo cuando miro un servicio excelente a un camarada así que se porta bien como usted, la verdad se merece mis respetos, lo que es, ¿me entiendes? Y pues aquí en este momento, aquí esté poniendo su TikTok, aquí va a estar. So we came to the car wash, so if you guys could show love, follow him. That's how we build like a ladder, like a circle, you know, and we keep following each other, we'll make it, right? We'll make it up there. So follow the camarada, the compa right there, and the TikTok right there, so there it goes. Whoa. He's located right here in Tijuana. About to wash the truck and let's roll.
So we're gonna get the packet number 1. Packet number 1, and it's 180 because they have the other packets, but the other packets are too much for us right now. So
the dollar right here is $18.80.
Yeah, we gotta go low. We gotta work what we got.
There's a reason why I have this. I needed a cup, but I don't have a cup. You guys gonna see right now.
You guys gonna see why? Ghetto status.
I mean, right? I swear to God that my kiddo's been trying to wash my truck and all that.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm always like, no, wait, I'll do it. Y ahí pasó tiempo.
So this is how they do it. Look, I know over there and the other side is different. Like, they do it manually.
I need to come. Why am I going this way? You'll see right now.
Yeah.
Gotta start swinging on. Todavía no when it goes.
No, when it goes that way.
igual y todo clean. Pero lo que le pasa ya no le pasa nada.
Oh, so he probably looked at ours like, damn, you guys need
Well,
to.
damn, it's just too dry and too like. Hijo, pero gracias, la verdad. Because that one I'm gonna put it with the car wash.
Yeah.
You got the homies right here, you know, washing the trocona. These are homies right here.
La mamalona.
So if you guys want to see when you get deported, the homies, they make it through. You know, that's a homie right there. He got deported, you know, but he's working hard for his.
They say how much do a car wash cost? Damn, it was hella dirty. They said good price, yeah.
Oh, ya saludos al homie, los camaradas aquí que se avienta con el jale, por si un día ven el video. I'll probably give him the shout right now.
Taylor, you wanna come watch it today?
I think you put on neutral, no? Yeah.
Neta. That's what I'm talking about. Oh man, I already felt something right here. Oh shit, it's already going down. Ni me ha caído nada. No, I'm not lying.
Shout out to the homies working as well.
That's what's up. That's what I want to hear. That's why I said it. I want to hear that. Shout out to all the camaradas, all the homies, all the citizens, residents, everybody, double list, any other side you're from, anybody, as long as you active, you know, shout out.
Yes.
Get ready. Ay, wait. You see that?
Yeah.
Do you like Chevy?
What do I do? I leave it like that? Or?
Yeah.
Oh.
It says, do you like Ford or
Hold on,
Chevy?
let's do this. Like, wee. Wee.
Babe, there's leaving. Let them clean it.
Oh, man, it breaks it. The thing is.
I know, yeah. Don't do it right
shit.
now.
Hold up.
No, babe.
Oh, it's a challenge.
No. What you mean challenge, boy?
Hold on. What the? This time we're recording. Where's it at? Well, we're supposed to be getting the tripping, right? Go for it. Let's go for it.
No. Babe, no.
Oh, I did it. Oh, it's dripping already. Oh, yeah. That's nothing. Normally it'll be like.
It's dripping in here.
Oh, it's coming right, yeah. Oh, así como digo, dripping, no. Dripping.
No,
Oh, yeah, that's
expedition.
right. Hold on,
Oh, look at it. It's dripping here. Look at. You guys seen that?
Hold on.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, to the rescue. God damn it.
Yeah, so this is gonna filling this.
Look, literally, you guys are seeing right there. Look at.
Quería lavar su carro, pues ahí está. Bien lavado,
Wait.
Todo mojado, pero que no. Ah, me bañé yo. Vámonos así. Que espantan.
And now they're gonna try it. They're ready. Look at, they're ready.
That's crazy. Look at.
Now time to try it.
Let's roll.
On Jack in the Box.
Oh, isn't it?
On 2 tacos for 99 cents. Yep.
Show them right here. The, call it what? The aftermath.